If you're searching for a luxury all-inclusive experience that truly delivers on every promise, Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit in Mexico might just be the destination you've been dreaming about. This five-star oceanfront resort has been turning heads since it opened back in 2010, and after diving deep into what it offers, it's easy to see why travelers keep coming back. Situated along the stunning coastline of Nuevo Vallarta in Riviera Nayarit, this property spans an impressive 40 acres of pristine beachfront paradise. What sets this resort apart from the competition is its unique three-section layout, each designed to cater to different types of travelers. Whether you're looking for a romantic adults-only escape, a family-friendly vacation with all the bells and whistles, or an ultra-luxury experience that rivals the world's finest hotels, Grand Velas has carved out distinct spaces to meet those needs. The resort consistently earns top ratings across all major travel platforms, with a remarkable 9.5 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor. These aren't just numbers either. Thousands of verified guests have shared their experiences, and the overwhelming consensus is that this place delivers exceptional service, outstanding food, world-class spa facilities, and accommodations that redefine what all-inclusive luxury should look like. Sure, there are minor critiques here and there, mostly centered around occasional service delays during peak holiday seasons when the resort is at full capacity, but these are few and far between. The property has also earned recognition from prestigious organizations like Forbes Travel Guide and holds a AAA5 Diamond rating, putting it in the same league as some of the world's most celebrated luxury resorts. Recent renovations completed between 2023 and 2024 have refreshed suite interiors, upgraded spa facilities with enhanced hydrotherapy circuits, and elevated dining venues to even higher standards. This isn't a resort resting on its laurels. It's constantly evolving to stay ahead of guest expectations while maintaining the core values that made it famous in the first place. Let's talk about the accommodations, because this is where Grand Velas really starts to separate itself from typical all-inclusive resorts. Forget cramped hotel rooms with basic amenities. Every single one of the 709 accommodations here is a suite, and we're not talking about suites in name only. The smallest option, the Zen Suite located in the adults-only section, starts at an impressive 1,270 square feet. That's larger than many apartments, and it comes packed with features that would make five-star hotels jealous. Marble bathrooms with jetted tubs and rain showers, private terraces complete with hammocks, plasma televisions, Nespresso machines for your morning coffee fix, and daily stocked minibars that don't cost you a penny extra. Butler service is included with most room categories, meaning you have a dedicated professional available around the clock to handle everything from unpacking your luggage to arranging private beach dinners. The Zen Suites cater specifically to adults seeking tranquility and romance, with serene garden, pool, or ocean views that create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for couples. Moving up the luxury ladder, the Ambassador Suites are designed with families in mind, offering 1,539 square feet of space with separate living and dining areas. These suites can accommodate up to 4 people comfortably, with options for king beds or 2 doubles, plus a sofa bed for additional flexibility. What's particularly clever about the Ambassador section is that it offers connecting suite options, perfect for larger families or groups traveling together who want proximity without sacrificing privacy. Family butlers in this section are trained specifically to anticipate the needs of traveling families, from arranging kids' meals to coordinating activities that keep everyone entertained. Then there's the Grand Class section, which takes luxury to an entirely different stratosphere. These adults-only suites start at 2,497 square feet and feature amenities that most people only dream about. We're talking pillow menus so you can customize your sleeping experience, wine coolers stocked with premium selections, Bang & Olufsen audio systems, and personal concierges who handle every detail of your stay. The real showstopper, though, is the private rooftop terrace with its own plunge pool, perfect for watching sunsets over the Pacific Ocean with a glass of tequila in hand. Speaking of tequila, Grand Class guests receive complimentary in-suite tequila tastings, showcasing Mexico's finest spirits in the comfort of their own private paradise. At the very top of the accommodation hierarchy sits the Grand Master Suite, a penthouse-style residence that can reach up to 4,844 square feet. This isn't just a hotel room. It's a private estate within a resort, complete with a personal gym, media room, rooftop jacuzzi, and the ability to customize virtually every aspect of your stay, including hiring a private chef if you desire. The attention to detail in every suite category is remarkable, from molten brown toiletries to high thread count linens, from spacious walk-in closets to technology that actually works seamlessly. Pricing varies significantly based on season and suite category, with Zen Suites ranging from around $800 to $1,000 per night during summer months, and climbing to $1,200 to $1,600 during peak winter season. Ambassador Suites run slightly higher at $900 to $1,200 in low season and $1,400 to $1,800 during high season. Grand Class accommodations command premium rates starting around $1,500 to $2,000 in summer and reaching $2,500 to $3,500 during winter months. The Grand Master Suites are priced for those seeking the absolute pinnacle of luxury, starting at $3,000 per night and climbing above $5,000 during peak periods. While these prices might seem steep at first glance, remember that absolutely everything is included, from top-shelf alcohol to gourmet dining at multiple restaurants, from butler service to daily activities, making the overall value proposition quite compelling when compared to paying separately for meals, drinks, and services at other luxury destinations. The dining experience at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit deserves its own lengthy discussion, because this is where the resort truly shines and separates itself from competitors. With 10 distinct restaurants and bars spread across the property, the culinary team has created a gastronomic journey that rivals standalone fine dining establishments in major cities around the world. What makes the dining program particularly impressive is that it's all-inclusive, meaning you're not paying extra for these exceptional meals, and most venues don't require reservations, allowing for spontaneous dining decisions based on your mood. Let's start with Frida, the resort's celebration of authentic Mexican cuisine. This isn't the Americanized Mexican food you might find at chain restaurants back home. We're talking about genuine regional specialties prepared by chefs who understand the cultural importance of each dish. Tacos al pastor with perfectly marinated pork, mole poblano with its complex blend of chilies and chocolate, fresh ceviche prepared daily with local seafood, and an extensive tequila selection that includes rare bottles you won't find anywhere else. Frida operates from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a vibrant atmosphere decorated with colorful Mexican art and traditional design elements. The resort casual dress code keeps things relaxed, and with capacity for 150 guests, you rarely face long waits. Weekly tequila tastings hosted by knowledgeable staff provide education about Mexico's national spirit, covering everything from production methods to regional variations. Then there's Piaf, the French restaurant that brings European elegance to the Mexican coastline. This is fine dining at its finest, with dishes like foie gras escargot prepared in traditional garlic butter, and beef Wellington that would make Gordon Ramsay proud. The dress code here is elegant, meaning men should wear long pants and collared shirts, and the intimate 80-seat capacity creates a romantic atmosphere perfect for special occasions. Reservations are required for Piaf, and they're highly recommended to be made as early as possible, especially during peak season. The wine list is extensive, featuring bottles from France, Italy, Spain, and California, with sommeliers available to guide your selections. Monthly wine dinners pair exceptional vintages with specially prepared multi-course menus, creating evenings that guests remember long after returning home. For those seeking cutting-edge culinary innovation, Cocina de Autor delivers molecular gastronomy that would fit perfectly in a Michelin-starred restaurant. This is where the culinary team gets creative with techniques like spherification, foams, and deconstruction, reimagining traditional dishes in completely new ways. Imagine a deconstructed taco where each component is presented separately with unique textures and temperatures, or foam spheres that burst with intense flavors when they touch your tongue. The 50-seat capacity ensures an intimate experience, and the elegant dress code matches the sophisticated cuisine. Reservations are absolutely required here, and the chef's table events that happen periodically offer behind-the-scenes access to watch the culinary magic happen in real time. Azul provides a more casual beachfront dining experience focused on fresh seafood and international favorites. Operating from early morning until late evening, this 200-seat restaurant offers everything from breakfast buffets to sushi prepared by skilled chefs to lobster thermidor that showcases the bounty of the Pacific Ocean. The sunset seafood buffets are particularly popular, featuring endless varieties of fresh catches prepared in multiple styles, from grilled to steamed to raw preparations. The casual dress code and walk-in policy make Azul perfect for families, and anyone seeking a relaxed dining atmosphere with their toes practically in the sand. Beyond the main restaurants, the resort features several bars including the Lobby Bar, which has become famous for its mixology program. Bartenders craft cocktails using premium spirits, fresh ingredients, and creative presentations that turn each drink into a work of art. Live music performances happen nightly, creating an energetic atmosphere perfect for pre-dinner drinks or late-night socializing. The bars operate from mid-morning until 1 in the morning, and the casual dress code means you can stop by in your resort wear without worry. What truly sets the dining program apart is the quality and variety. Many all-inclusive resorts offer quantity over quality, with buffet-style meals that prioritize efficiency over excellence. Grand Velas takes the opposite approach, treating each meal as an opportunity to create memorable experiences through exceptional ingredients, skilled preparation, and attentive service. The fact that you can enjoy French fine dining one night, authentic Mexican the next, and molecular gastronomy the following evening, all without paying a single peso beyond your room rate, represents remarkable value that's hard to find anywhere else in the world. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.